Ever wondered what makes French cuisine so special? It's a delightful blend of elegance and heartiness, where simple meals shine just as bright as fancy dishes. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of 6 top French recipes. Ready to discover the magic of French cuisine? First on our list is the classic coq au vin. Imagine a chicken, slowly cooked in red wine, accompanied by mushrooms, onions, and bacon. It's a warming, hearty dish that showcases the elegant simplicity and richness of French cuisine. A true French classic, don't you agree? Next, we have Bouillabaisse, a traditional Provençal fish stew. This rich, aromatic concoction brims with various types of fish and shellfish, served with a side of Rouy sauce. Hailing from the port city of Marseille, it's a seafood symphony in a bowl. Seafood lovers, this one's for you. Our third recipe is the vibrant Ratatouille. Imagine a sun-drenched medley of summer vegetables, simmered to perfection in a rich tomato base. Its colorful presentation is a feast for the eyes as much as it is for the palate. A perfect blend of taste and health, isn't it? Next up, we have the delectable Quiche Lorraine. This savory, open-faced pastry is filled with a custard of eggs, cream, cheese, and bacon. It's a culinary chameleon, perfect hot or cold, for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, a versatile dish for any occasion. Fifth on our list are the delightful crêpes. Imagine a paper-thin pancake waiting to be filled with your choice of sweet or savory goodness. It's no wonder these versatile treats are a favorite street food across France. Who can resist a good crêpe, right? Finally, we have the irresistible Tarte Tatin, a delectable upside-down caramelized apple tart with an intriguing backstory. Legend has it, this delicious dessert was a serendipitous creation of the Tatin sisters, a sweet ending to our French culinary journey.
And there you have it, 6 top French recipes. From coq au vin to tarte tatin, each dish is a delightful journey into the richness of French cuisine. So don your chef's hat and embark on this culinary adventure. Remember, in French cuisine, it's all about the joy of cooking and the love of food. Bon appétit!